Hello everybody. Continuation ng ating vlog. So today is 16th of October. Today is Thursday, 6:30 na ng hapon. Tayo ay nakauwi na from work. Kumusta po kayo? Right. So today dapat si Aliyah ay pupunta sa nursery. Pero kahapon, guys, pinick up na naman siya ni Daddy dahil hindi naman this time siya ay may temperature. Today, meron siyang loose bowel. Actually, yesterday, nagkaroon siya ng loose bowel. So, pinick up siya ni Daddy kahapon. So, obviously, today, si Grandma ang nag-alaga sa kanya. So, andito ngayon si Grandma, pero nasa taas siya. Nagpapahinga kasi buong araw. Since 7 o'clock, andito na siya. So, I think matutulog si Grandma dito ngayong gabi. And then, bukas ulit. Siya ulit mag-aalaga. And then, feeling ko uuwi na siya bukas. So, ayun guys yung update. Thank God. Dahil, kung kailangan namin ng mag-aalaga kay Aliyah, andyan si Grandma. Which is we really appreciate it. And we really, we are grateful na si Grandma ay laging handa na tumulong sa amin if we need it. Okay? So, ngayong gabi, actually, kaninang umaga nagdala siya ng pagkain, guys. So, ano ba to? Nice. Para siyang adobo, pero Chinese style. Tapos, ito din. Ayan, guys. Sarap. Sarap nito. Ito yung favorite ko, yung pork belly na may cabbage. Sarap. So, nagluto si Grandma ng food. So, dinala niya kaninang umaga. So, hindi na ako kailangang magluto ng dinner. Ito naman, bun. Ito, para siyang, anong tawag doon? Siopaw. So, ginawa ni Mami. Ito, ganito. But we have to, yung tawag doon, we have to steam it. Ayun. Si Daddy and Aliyah ay nasa taas. They are playing in Aliyah's room. Ako naman, I want some drinks. Gusto ko ng drinks. So, tomorrow. Cycling tomorrow.
Because it's Thursday night. And that's when I normally do it, don't I?
Maybe do it later na. Because you're the...
No, yeah, I'll do it later.
Ichum!
Betum where? Should we do them to the car?
Shall we do walking with Aliyah? Did you watch the Instagram I sent you? Oh, watch them because I sent them for a reason.
Oh, because you said...
What are you doing?
Parenting.
What you two are doing?
We were going to put something in the car.
Oh, here you go then. And then, where do you want your tea?
In the front room.
Okay. Okay guys, tea muna tayo. Hindi tayo magluluto. We have a relaxed Thursday night. We're not gonna cook dinner. Kasi kagabi, we already cook rice. Where is it? Did you put it away? Dito pa pala, hindi pa hinahango ng asawa ko. Ayun, ang daming rice guys. Ayan, oo. Ayan. Laki lang ng aking kamay. Pero that's enough for me and Andy. And then, andyan yung biyanan ko. So, siguro kasya na yan. I want you to stand up. Okay, stand up. Walk then. Let's walk then. Walk. Chica, boo. Chica, boo. Chica. You miss mommy? I miss you, loads. Shall we walk? Shall we show the guys how good you are? Come on in. Pika, pika. Naglalambing ang baby, guys. Mommy's girl to eh. Ayaw tanggapin ni daddy na mommy's girl ang baby. Daddy, 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 look. Look. There's daddy. There's daddy. Shall we walk? Nilutuan ko si Aliyah for her dinner ng sopas. Modified Ay, lady. No bark. No. Stop barking. You had dun yun eh. So, ito guys yung niluto ko kay, for Aliyah's food. Ayan siya. Yan yung dinner niya. Sopas. May pasta. May peas, may beans, may carrots, may modified, ano tayo. Nilagyan ko din ng konting, ano ba yun? Ginamit ko yung milk, tapos konting butter. Lagyan ko ng egg yung kanyang food. Kasi maganda talaga daw sa bata yung egg, guys. Parang nabanggit ko na dito noon, for their brain. Because of yung egg has choline. Good siya sa brain. Lutuin ko pa konti. Let's eat. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm just waiting for the kettle to boil, then I'm just giving Mum some hot water.
Okay. Bidyo. Lady!
You want to find it there, make it what's up.
I'm saying, we have a baby cat
Wow! Look at you, grandmas!
So we know
kidding. Wow! Ujum! What else? Eji! She wants more.
Oh yeah!
Good job! Look at you! Oh, she wants. Wow! Look at that! How about you, lady? You've had your dinner. You had your dinner, darling. Look at you, Ate Lady. Oh, Ate Lady. She wants sopas.
spoon.
And then?
Yeah, like a spoon.
Spoon?
Yeah.
Oh, for... Hello, good evening guys. So, magluluto ako ng dinner. Time check, magsi 7 o'clock na ng gabi. Car wash kasi si Andy. So, inantay ko pa siya para matapos. And then, late ko nang defrost itong prawns. Ayan, meron kaming 6 ilang grams ba to? 800 grams na prawns. Bigay nung tita ni Andy. Kaso, mukhang hindi aabot. Hindi ko siya na-defrost kaninang tanghali, guys. Hindi pa siya malinis. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya Yan o, ang dami. Mukhang masarap. Nalinis na kaya to? Hindi ko alam kung paano siya linisin eh. Anyway, good luck to me. Ayan o, ang dami. Do we have the
So normally
pin?
would normally like that. They would normally just cook it like that.
Oh, well, with the stuff.
With the head, yeah. With the shell and everything. But
They have to get
if
ready.
you want to deshell it, then you cut down here. The poo's there.
No, I don't need. Oh, I want to remove the poo. Cut here. Like that?
Yeah, and then it's like there.
Yeah, it's there, right?
Yeah, there. And then just hook it. Just hook it.
Okay, okay. Alam ni Andy. So, sabi niya, tanggalin mo yung poo. Ayun. Okay, fine. Tapos, tanggalin din natin yung ulo. Anuhin ko na lang yung ito. Ayan. I will, anong tawag dun? So, I will make anong tawag dun? Garlic. Ay, nako. Dapat nagluto na ako ng rice bago ko to gawin, no? Mga mamshi. Multitasking. Hindi kasi kami mahilig sa seafoods, guys, sa aming family. Because my sister has, shrimp. Shrimp allergy. So, hindi talaga mahilig yung family namin na kumain ng seafoods. Mahilig na lang ako ng seafoods, guys, noong kasama ko na si Andy. Kasi yung family niya, mahilig sa, di ba, Chinese. Yung mga Chinese, mahilig din sila sa prawns. Kung ano ka, if you're allergic to prawns, so, syempre, hindi ka makakakain. Ako naman, hindi ako allergic sa prawns. Pero hindi rin ako mahilig sa seafoods. Because nga, I grow up without us eating that much seafoods because of my sister na tsaka brother din. Ayan, guys. So, balik chikahan tayo. Nakapagluto na ako ng rice. Nakapagsaing na. So, meron akong mga kilala na foreigner din yung mga napangasawa. So, sabi nila sa akin, yung minsan daw yung asawa nila, medyo pihikan sa pagkain. Di ba, syempre tayong mga Pilipino, we like our food, di ba? So, ako naman, I am lucky kasi si Andy, though hindi siya kumakain ng fish. Kinakain niya kung ano yung niluluto ko, guys. Hindi siya mapili sa food. He's very, hindi siya pihikan. Kasi, madalas yung food naman natin is yung, ang tawag dun? Tayong mga Pilipino, halos same lang din naman ng Chinese, diba? Parang yung, mahilig sila din sa, yung red egg, ganun. Tapos nakakatawa kasi, maririnig ko kay Andy na, niluluto to dati. Parang ganito yung niluluto dati ni Mami. Yung mga ganun. nagpaturo din pala ako kay Mami, yung mother-in-law ko, kung paano magluto ng Hainanese chicken. So, we'll cook that one time, maybe sa next weekend, Saturday. Magluluto ako noon, Hainanese chicken. Binigay na niya sa akin yung recipe, which is really good kasi I can pass that on to Aliyah. When she grow up, I will teach her how to do a Chinese, Cantonese version ng Hainanese chicken. We're eating our dinner. Here's our dinner. Rice. We have also salted egg. Alia's food is congee and egg. So let's eat, guys. We'll enjoy our dinner. Bye.
Wow, Rich is like so talented with the cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got all the tools and stuff. So like, if we ever need brakes that like your brakes need changing or stuff like that,
You can do it.
yeah, you can do it.
Is that his hobby?
Yeah, just buy the parts, and he'll do it, and we don't have to pay like
Much?
labourer, because when you go to a garage,
Yeah, you pay them.
you pay parts and you pay labour. All Rich wants, a few beers or some tobacco. He's happy.
Tobacco?
Yeah.
Cigarette.
You could get cigarettes or you could tobacco pouches.
So
But he's so chill. Like when we're there, because he had to move his car, he parked it somewhere. Don't get wrong.